My name is Kathreena Tejada, and I'm in the Bridging to University Nursing program at Centennial College. Centennial College has a lot of experiential learning opportunities. I've gained experiences in hospital placements where I've applied my knowledge from the classroom and put it into real life situations under the supervision of our teachers. What I love about the Bridging to University Nursing program is the relationships that I formed with my colleagues and my professors, who I feel will play a long-term role in my life even after I graduate.